In this video I will show you how to design social media poster design in Adobe Photoshop. First, we will create a page with a size of 1920 by 1080. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the background image and click on Place. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. Now we will drag the text layer and make a copy of it. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Drag the text. Press Ctrl-T and right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Perspective. Follow the process. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl-J, copy. Hide this image. Now we will drag the image layer and make a copy of it. Right-click and choose Blending option. Select the color overlay. Adjust the color. Press OK. Down the image layer. Press Ctrl-T, right-click and choose Distort. Follow the process. Down the opacity. Add a layer mask. Go to Gradient tool. Follow the process. Select the text layer. Add a layer mask. Go to Gradient tool. Adjust the gradient style. Follow the process. Go to Type tool. Change the font style. Type your text. Follow these settings. Adjust the text. Go to Type tool. Change the font style. Type your text. Follow the process. Adjust the text. Follow the process. Follow the process. Adjust the text. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Change the blending mode to overlay. Down the opacity. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.